Hi, it's Mike from the Cyber Guys here with another quick tech talk. Today I want to just take 2 minutes to talk about crypto, and particularly the one unbreakable algorithm that we know about, the Vernam Cipher. Now typically we would think that to have an unbreakable algorithm would require the most sophisticated math. But actually, that's not the case. The Vernam Cipher, also known as the one-time pad, is a very simple substitution cipher. The original crypto. This technology is actually ancient, literally. One of the first forays into cryptography is what we call the Caesar cipher. And the Caesar cipher is a very basic substitution cipher that takes the alphabet, shifts it, and then substitutes one character for another character just 3 letters down in the alphabet. It's a simple substitution cipher. The first of these being the Caesar cipher. But there have been other substitution ciphers. The problem with substitution ciphers is this. When you make a switch and you do the same switch every time, it becomes very easy to break the code, simply using a technique we call frequency analysis. By looking at the occurrence of certain characters, we can basically backtrack it to the original plaintext. The thing about the Vernam cipher, though, is there are a couple of basic rules. Rule number 1 is you can never use the key for how you make the substitutions, more than once. Thus the name one-time pad. And the second rule is the length of the key has to be just as long as the length of the plaintext. And the third rule is the key itself must be truly and completely random. There can be no pattern, no logic, no information that could be sourced to figure out how the substitution was going to be executed. So with those 3 rules, a simple substitution cipher gives us the only unbreakable code. And it makes sense that it would be unbreakable. If you're totally randomly substituting characters or bits with no method to the madness, no logic, no pattern whatsoever, no math, then you're going to get an unbreakable code. The thing is, it's just not a very practical solution. To randomly generate a key stream that's truly random, not pseudo-random, but actually random, and have it be just as long as the text that you want to encode, well, how do you use that in repeat systems? And the answer is you can't. There are, though, some practical applications for these sorts of ciphers. In fact, we call them stream ciphers. When we're doing hardware-based encryption, particularly using certain cryptographic modules and things like that, hardware-based encryption can be based on a simple substitution model like the one-time pad. But if you ever want to know, or want to let someone know, what the most unbreakable code is, now you know. It's the Vernam Cipher, the one-time pad. Well, that's been another quick tech talk. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.